Our cameras were the only ones there when 19-year-old Fest Cotton III was taken away in handcuffs to the Montgomery County Jail. He confessed to Miamisburg police for robbing the Shell gas station on Byers Road and 725 early this morning. Police said he showed a gun, threatened the clerk, and got away with a lot of cash. The 300-pound man then left on a banana seat-style bicycle and pedaled all the way to a hotel in Harrison Township. Police say it's an unusual choice for a fast getaway.
No, he cannot go very fast on a bike, and I'm surprised he made it all the way to North Dixie.
But his bike ride from the law was soon cut short.
It's great. It's fantastic. Again, the viewers helped us.
Captain Ron Hess says shortly after this surveillance video was seen on 2 News Sunrise, tips from 2 News viewers came flooding in.
Due to viewers watching Channel 2 this morning, saw the video, called in some tips on who he